It is my job as a YouTube influencer to give you guys a video that you can step to. And I take that job very seriously. 94 degrees in the dog days of summer. I bring to you Baja. I bring to you Losi 5ive-T. Gas at its finest. To drive these cars, you need plenty of space. They're big, they're fast, and they're loud. And if gas is not your thing, no worry about it. Front has also got electric. And I'm not sure who needs this footage, but I'm standing in this dust cloud getting this footage. So pay it forward, hit the bell, like, subscribe, and tell a friend and tell a friend. From a 5-7. All right, YouTube, we're back here on location. I think they're making another Publix back there. I brought the 5T with me, converted to two-wheel drive. We have the Kraton 12S and the X-Max. All that stuff used on Facebook, and then I got this other one from Jack Cycle RC from Sean, aka Yoda. Check him out on Facebook. He's got tons of used cars, and they all work really well. Check it out. In this video, we're gonna get this thing started and running. Let's go. The reason I call him Yoda is because there's not an RC car engine he can't start. He told me, hey man, prime the carburetor, pull it, and start it. First. What's up, Caesar? What you got out here with us today?
I got Baja on paddles, Baja SC on paddles, Kraton 12S, and Outcast 12S.
Oh man, you got a show today. Now, a friend of the channel, Caesar, is a mechanic by trade. Don't let him fool you.
Yo!
Everything he got is hyped up.
Oh, them
souped
paddles.
up, nuts to bolts, bolts to nuts. Whatever the saying is, his cars are fast. My car's fast too, though. We catch you. We'll get you, Caesar. We'll get you. Two-wheel drive Losi 5ive-T. Why do we do that? Not sure. How do we do that? We move the dog bones from the front. Front diff out of there.
It's a ripper though.
She's a ripper because she's carrying less weight. The power to weight ratio is insane. Go ahead, I'm gonna play follow leader. I'm gonna follow you. To be fair, this soft sand and the fact that he has paddles made it difficult for me to follow him. But you know I'm not going to sleep tonight until I find some paddles for the back and mohawks for the front. Color me impressed. These things are on sand, soft sand, and it's hot, 96 degrees. And we're just absolutely squeezing the trigger, running these things full out. And they're taking it, man. Both cars, excellent. Both these cars are running on a 29cc engine. I'm running a little fat because one of my mentors told me a fat car runs, a lean car runs for a little while. You're right about this stuff being soft, man. This stuff is soft. This stuff is soft, bro.
First time out though.
Yeah?
Yeah. I just painted the gauge.
Oh. Go for it. You can't?
We're pitching against each other.
Ah. Told you, man. If there's something to hit, you'll hit it, even if it's yourself. You know you're gonna smoke me. I say, even though you're gonna smoke me. On your mark, get set.
Lead up. Go.
All right, go. Nice. Okay. Baja on paddles. If you didn't know, now you know. Nice. Kraton 12S, fastest car out here. Let's get it going. Kraton has entered the chat. Now, I think he said this has a 34cc engine in it. The fastest gas car out here, the Baja SE. I told you, he's a mechanic by trade, so he's got these things right. I can see why it's one of your favorites. That thing run nice. You say you got a modified motor on there, huh?
This one's a full mod non-read 34 from OBR.
34. Ah, that's why. Yeah. Yeah, no question, no doubt.
This one's getting a signature 34 full read. I just wanted to test the platform and I like it, so now it's getting it.
Okay. So this is a 5B and this is a Baja?
This is a 5SC. This is a 5B.
5SC, 5B.
So the gearing in the transmission is different for the SC to compensate for the tire. So that's basically a 5T.
Yeah.
So 5T and 5SC have the same gearing, just a different body.
Yeah.
And the 5B has a different gearing because the tires are smaller.
Got you. Thing look lower.
Full V-Devon though.
Full V-Devon?
Yep.
Nice. Oh yeah, she pretty. Armor Outcast 8S.
Oh,
this is Caesar's, but my favorite RC car, Armor Outcast. Also see you got them big old J Concept tires on there.
Same as yours, right?
Yeah, same. See that turn radius? I don't got that turn radius. I got something going on. Yeah.
Different turbo, and I have all the bells, all the bulkheads and the bell cranks and everything is V-Devon. So there's no flex. The only thing that flexes right now is the stock servo saver, which I'm about to change.
Yeah, man, I need to get rid of that shit. Wait till I get my steering right. This thing is a beast. Where should I get my steering right? PSA time, good people. Those J Concept tires is no joke. Holy crap. Ooh, that's close enough, yeah?
I think so. I think I'm a little bit ahead of you, though.
All right. On your mark, get set, go. Oh. I gotta try that again. Too much. I gotta turn this thing down a little bit. Turn it down a little bit, fella. Let's get at another try, see what happens. My remote was set up to run in the street, not the dirt. All right, get him all set up. Oh, he went right next to me. Oh, okay. Ready, steady, go.
I dumped that one.
Yeah, you did. I'm gonna get you though. I'm gonna go get you though. I'm gonna go get you on 2 wheels. Oh, I can't see nothing. I'm in the dirt puddle. Ready, steady, go. You mean walk him down, walk him down, walk him down. On 2, go 2. There you go, nice. I think get up on 2 wheels on you and shit. Once I set up the remote, that Kraton was gone. Them wheels are nice, but when they balloon, whew, it's a different thing.
I need more ESC.
Oh shit.
It kept going on you?
Yeah. Jesus. This daggone dirt lot is so huge. This is the first time my remote went out of range. Earth movers, time for armor shenanigans. Nice. Woo! Caesar pulled out his Kraton, and yeah, man, I had technical difficulties, so I had to pull back out the 5T. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Don't hit the... There you go. Let me turn my camera on. So what's your fancy? EV or gas? I tell you, man, the gas, you can smell it, you can feel it, you can hear it. The EV, fast, punchy, torquey. This thing is amazing. Either way you go, man, it's super fun. Get out there, get you some sun. Let's go. This is dirt, man. I look a mess. And I'm not even sure if you like content like this. But we recorded it, we had a great time. And if you ever in North Florida, come holler at your boy from a 5.7. I'm always down to rip. I even got extra remotes, so if you don't have a car, you could use one of mine. Let's go. And I don't know if you caught that, but that was a 30-pound armor Kraton headed directly towards my ankle. Oh, he's gonna turn any second. The X-Max? Oh, I left that remote on the table. Hey man, appreciate you coming out, B. Yeah, and thank you for staying to the end from a 5.7. Tell a friend, tell a friend. There's that Outcast showing out doing Outcast-ish. Oh yeah, he's showing out people.